Hello, children and dear parents. Hope you all are healthy and safe at home. Good morning. This is Richa, your computer teacher, and today we are going to start second chapter of computer. The name of the second chapter is Types of Software. Today we are going to study about types of software. In this chapter, you are going to know about software and its types, system software, application software. Student, I am going to explain you this chapter in 4 parts. In our first part, which I am going to explain today, is what is software, types of software, what is system software, types of system software, what is operating system, functions of operating system. Today we are going to study on all these points. So, it's students, as human beings, we all react differently according to the situations. Have you ever thought how it becomes possible? Let us understand this with the help of an example. Students, when we feel hungry, we eat. When we get tired of walking, we sit down. When we touch something extremely hot, we immediately remove our hands. Have you ever thought how do we know what to do in these situations? It is the brain that gives us the instructions to act and react in this manner. Similarly, a computer gets all the instructions from the software to perform various tasks. The software is the soul of a computer without which it cannot work. Let's understand what is software in detail. Students, as you know, hardware cannot work by itself. It needs step-by-step instructions. They are like army that needs a commanding officer, right? Similarly, the software is a commanding officer. It is a set of instructions or programs that tells us hardware what to do and how to do. A program that runs on the computer is called a software. It is that part of a computer which cannot be seen and touched. Student, सॉफ्टवेयर वैसे पार्ट्स कंप्यूटर के वैसे पार्ट्स को बोलते हैं जिसे ना हम टच कर सकते हैं ना हम देख सकते हैं. सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू हम हार्डवेयर को रन कराते हैं और बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स को रन करवाते हैं. लाइक द गेम दैट यू प्ले एंड प्रोग्राम दैट यू यूज टू लर्न interesting things on a computer are called software. Okay, let's see some examples of software. MS Office, antivirus, Windows Media Player and game are some examples of software. Okay, now let's move on second topic, which is types of software. Students, software is of two types. Number 1, system software. Number 2, application software. Okay, software is of two types, system software and application software. Again, system software is divided into 3 parts. Which one is operating system, language processor, general purpose. And application software is divided into two types: general purpose application software, specific purpose application software. But for now, we are only going to study about system software and operating system. Later on, we will discuss about application software. So, are you ready? Let's start. Today, we are going to study about only system software. What is system software? Students, it is defined as a collection of programs that controls the overall operations and internal working of a computer system. It reads data from input devices and transfer the processed information to output devices. This is system software. So, just I had told you about how many parts system software divided. Okay? Student, system software is of three main types. Number 1, operating system. Number 2, language processor. And number 3, utility software. We are going to discuss it one by one. Okay? Let's start with operating system. Students, it is a part of system software that makes a computer run. It manages all input and output operations. It also manages the link between the different parts of a computer and the user. Understood? Okay. Once again, I am explaining you what is operating system. It is a part of system software that makes a computer. It manages all input and output operations. It also manages the link between the different parts of a computer and the user. When the computer is switched on, the operating system is the first program that loaded on its memory. I hope you all understand what is operating system. Students, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर का एक पार्ट होता है जो कंप्यूटर के ओवरऑल इनपुट और आउटपुट ऑपरेशंस को मैनेज करता है. अंडरस्टूड? Let us understand the operating system with the help of an example. Take a look on the picture. You all know what is the picture of this? This is a car. So, it has petrol, engine and wheels, but it is not moving. When will the car move? Do you know? It will move only when the driver starts it. जब तक इसमें ड्राइवर बैठकर इस कार को स्टार्ट नहीं करता तब तक कार स्टार्ट नहीं होती. So, the driver is the operator of the car. Similarly, operating system is the driver of a car which makes it run. Without an operating system, a computer cannot work on its own. Now you get at what is operating system? I hope you all understood what is operating system. Okay. Now, some examples of operating system. MS-DOS, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Linux, Mac OS are examples of some popular operating system. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आपको समझ में आ गई होगी कि ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्या है. नाउ लेट्स मूव अहेड ऑन अनदर टॉपिक. Now we are going to study about functions of operating system. The main functions of operating system are device management, memory management, run software, processor management, file management, and security. One by one we are going to discuss about it. Okay students? Number one is device management. It controls all the working of all input and output devices. डिवाइस मैनेजमेंट इनपुट और आउटपुट डिवाइसेस की वर्किंग को कंट्रोल करता है. ओके. मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट. It assigns memory to various programs whenever required. It also frees the memory when it is not in use. Third, run software. It runs the application software like Paint, MS Word, MS PowerPoint. यह एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर को रन कराता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पेंट, MS Word, MS PowerPoint. Processor management. It manages the working of the processor by all locating various jobs to it. Okay. File management. It keeps the track of information regarding creations, deletion, transfer, copy and storage of files in an organized way. Students, in file management, it controls all the work of file. यह फाइल के सारे वर्क को कंट्रोल करता है. लाइक फाइल को डिलीट करना, फाइल को क्रिएट करना, ट्रांसफ़र करना, कॉपी करना और स्टोरेज को ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे में फाइल्स को स्टोर कर रखना. ऑल राइट. नाउ द लास्ट वन इज सिक्योरिटी. It provides security by means of password to prevent misuse of a computer. You all are familiar with this image. Whenever you start your PC, if there is a password, here it asks for a password. You have to fill your password here, only then your computer gets started. Students, nowadays or always, हम सभी लोग अपनी चीज़ों को प्रोटेक्ट करके रखते हैं. ठीक उसी तरह हम अपने सेल फ़ोन में पासवर्ड लगाते हैं, कंप्यूटर में पासवर्ड लगाते हैं, ताकि कोई हमारे डेटा का मिसयूज ना कर सके. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? सो these are the today's point, types of software. I hope you all understood all the topics clearly. If not, please watch the video again so that you can understand these topics properly. Alright, in our next class, we will move ahead in our second topic. For now, bye students and have a safe and nice day.